In our law practice, we are often asked the question, why is my license being suspended for my plea of guilty to possession of marijuana second degree when I wasn't driving at the time I was arrested? And we also get a lot of questions from folks who go into court, plead guilty as a youthful offender to a drug charge, and then wonder why their driver's license is suspended. The purpose of this video is to answer those two questions and provide some guidance. Under Alabama Code Section 13A-12-290, the code provides for the suspension of a person's driver's license, and it directs the Department of Public Safety, per the director, to suspend for a period of 6 months the driver's license of any person, including but not limited to a juvenile, child, youthful offender, really anyone who is convicted. The issue with a youthful offender or a juvenile conviction when the underlying charge is a drug charge is this: youthful offender protects a person who is youthful, 20 years old or younger, from the issues and problems related to a criminal conviction for a criminal offense. So if you pled guilty as a youthful offender, then your record should be sealed if everything is handled properly. However, the driver's license aspect of your case is not considered to be criminal in nature. It is civil in nature, and therefore you will not be provided any protection by youthful offender or being treated as a juvenile. So if you plead guilty as a youthful offender, or you are found to be guilty in juvenile court and the complaint against you is found to be true, then your license will be suspended for a period of 6 months for each drug conviction. There are some interesting and unique aspects of this section of driver's license law. It provides for an individual who voluntarily enters treatment to get credit towards the license suspension. That does not usually come up very often, and is probably a section of the code that is not utilized much at all. Primarily probably because most people are unaware of it, and if they just walk into court and plead guilty to possession of marijuana second, a lot of people are not aware that their license will be suspended anyway, and I know that because people contact us afterwards with questions about how to reverse or undo what they have done. The bottom line is this: you should know that if you are found guilty of a drug offense in the state of Alabama and you have an Alabama driver's license or a license from out of state, it will likely have driver's license ramifications for you. If you have an Alabama license and you're found guilty, that conviction will be picked up by Montgomery and they will take an action on your license. If you are from out of state and you're convicted here, the conviction under most circumstances will be sent to Montgomery, Alabama, to the Alabama Department of Public Safety, and then that conviction will be forwarded to your home state and they will take an action against your license. That is primarily the way that it works. There are a few states, 5 states, that are not members of the compact. However, they are members of the National Driver Registry, and it could cause issues for you. Bottom line is, you need to do everything on the front end to prevent a conviction for a drug offense, and that saves your driver's license and helps you to avoid any repercussions related to your license and all of the other issues that come up as it relates to a drug conviction. My name's Joseph Kreps. I'm an Alabama drug crime defense attorney, and we represent people in the state of Alabama or out-of-state folks who are traveling through Alabama who are charged with drug offenses. The ramifications, the consequences, the bad things that can happen to you related to a drug offense are numerous, one of which we've gone over in this video, which is driver's license issues. The way to prevent that is to prevent a conviction. All you have to do to begin the conversation with us is call us. You can reach us at 866-348-2889, or you can visit us on the web, AlabamaDrugDefenseAttorney.com. Thank you very much.